Hey, Aussie retailers, what if I told you you're leaving money on the table every single day? Picture this, you're running a local coffee shop. Every day you're bustling to serve as many cappuccinos as possible. But what if instead of just selling coffee, you could create coffee addicts who can't start their day without your brew? Sounds crazy. Look, it costs 5 times more to get a new customer than to keep an existing one. Yet most of you are consistently chasing new faces. Why? Regular customers spend 67% more than new ones. Can you imagine what that would do to your bottom line? A tiny 5% increase in keeping customers back can boost your profits by up to 95%. How would that change your business? Loyal customers are 5 times more likely to come back and 4 times more likely to tell their friends about you. Isn't that better than any ad you could buy? Remember, in retail, your most valuable asset isn't your stock. It's the people who walk through your door. Your digital strategy should be about building relationship, not just transactions. Are you sending personalized emails based on purchase history? Using social media to engage, not just advertise? Is your website creating a community or just a catalog? Think about it, as it could make or break your business in the digital